Not again. Freaking dang it.
Holy crap.
Shut up. UTV.
Holy
Show me that video again.
shit. Yeah, film it. Yeah.
Are you happy?
Why does it say we do that?
Couldn't tell you. He enjoys that for some reason.
Then what happened? Is that? Is it old?